Hello guys. I would like to say a very big thanks for all of you who donated for this project in order to realize the renovation, the volunteer action on the Jewish cemetery of Tállya. I would like to thank for all of you, also in the name of our volunteer team. It's really a great help for us. All these donations that you sent us basically yesterday. I raised up the target amount because we still have time to collect the donations in order to make a documentary that we planned also on the renovation of the volunteer project on the Jewish cemetery that we'll do in cooperation with special needs filmmakers, and also, if thank God, we will collect even more donations in this year. I would like to make a renovation project also in another Jewish cemetery, because there are approximately at least 1,500 abandoned Jewish cemeteries only in Hungary that needs to be renovated very quickly before complete destruction. So please, if you can, send us any amount of money, any amount of donations. We are really thankful for it, and thank you very much for all the donors again. Thank you and have a nice week.